Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to install the Apache Web Server together with mariadb-server. Next, use the following command to install PHP and required PHP extensions. By running next command, you will enable the Apache rewrite module, which is necessary for clean URLs in ProcessWire. Next, run the following command to restart Apache so that the changes take effect. Use the next command to log in to mariadb shell. Inside the mariadb shell, run the next commands. Next, run the following command to move into the Apache web root directory. Use the following command to download the latest version of ProcessWire from GitHub. Now run the next command to extract the downloaded archive. Use the following command to rename the extracted folder to simply processwire. Next, run the following command to change the ownership of the processwire directory so that Apache can manage it. Use the next two commands to set the correct permission for directories. Next, run the following command to create a new Apache virtual host configuration file, and inside this file add the following configuration. Don't forget to change the server name with your IP address or your domain name. Use the next command to enable the new ProcessWire site. Finally, run the following command to reload the page and apply the changes. Now go into your web browser and use your domain name or IP address. Next, finish the setup by using your credentials from MariaDB that you have created earlier. Now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.